Find the probability. Find the probability that the sum of number is even. That the sum of find the probability that the sum of the number is even. Now, let's get this trashed out. Now, a number is selected at random from each of the sets. A is equals to 1 less than x less than 4, and B is equals to 2 less than y less than 6. Now, the first thing we need to know is our set A. Set A gives me from 1. Don't forget that there's a sign there that is signaling the equals to. So, which means that I can include 1, but I cannot include 4 because 4 there's no equals to in front of this sign. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean. 1 less than equals to, which I can repeat 1, 2, 3, but I cannot put 4 there because my x is less than 4. So this is the limit I can reach. Now my b as well, from 2, 3, 4, and 5. From 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we need to consider our sample space. And when they are saying sample space, what does sample space mean? It means that I can call it a subset. That's the word I can use. That's the word I can use. But we want to consider our sample space. Our sample space is not total. There's a difference between you having sample space and the total. If I want to count the total number here now, the total number that I have here is 7. That is 3 here and 4 here. But it's a totally different ball game. It's a totally different ball game when we are dealing with sample space. Now, how are they going to get the sample space? I'm going to show you what they simply did, which is very easy. By saying 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 4. Then you go to the next one again. 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 3, 4, 9, 3, 5, 10. But we are not done yet. And this is why we are not done it because we have not picked the other one as well. So I'm just showing you how sample spaces, how they work. I'm showing you how sample spaces work. So now, but in order to get it properly, we just simply multiply the two sets together, and that's how we get our sample space. So our sample space here is 12. That's 3 times 4, very easily. That's how we usually do it, and that's what we do too in most cases of dice. When we're having 2 pairs of dice, that's dice 1 and dice 2. In order to get your sample space, the total number on 2 dice is 12, but our sample space is 6 multiplied by 6, and that is 36. So it's a different. That's why I'm having 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. I'm just giving you what sample space looks like. So the sample space here is 12. That is 3 multiplied by 4. So what do we simply do from here? Now let's now move. They want us to find the probability that the sum of the numbers is even. Now let's start from set A. From set A, I have 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to teach you a trick, by the way, that even plus even, I'm teaching you a trick, is equals to even. Odd plus odd is equals to even. I just want you to know that, by the way. So now, they want us to find the probability that the sum of the number is even. Now from here, I have 2 odd numbers and I have 1 even number. Now let's trash it out. Odd number here from set A, 1 and 3. Even number here is 2. So now I have 2 odd number here. I have 1 odd number here as well. Now, are you getting it? Are you following me? Sorry, I have 1 even. What am I right? I have 1 even. Now, from set B, I have 2, 3, 4, and 5. From set B, odd number, that is 3 and 5. That is 2 odd. And even number is also 2 and 4. So I have two even numbers. So from here, I think it's very easy to actually trash all these things out. I think it's very easy to trash it out. So what do they want us to find? They want us to find the probability that the sum of the number is even. The sum of the number is even. So they want us to find that the sum of the number is even. How do we actually get this? I'm going to tell you how they got it. But I've actually done my own. I will tell you how they got it. So this is what they mean. If I say 1 plus 2 gives me 3, 1 plus 2 giving me 3 is odd. So I cannot consider that. So I just want to give you a logic now. Look at it. I have 1, 2, 3. Now, 1 plus 2 gives me 3. That's odd. I can't use it. How about 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 gives me 4. I can use that. Now, look at the next one. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4 gives me 5. I can't use that. 1 plus 5 gives me 6. 1 plus 5 gives me 6. Now, what else again? I can use 2 and 2. Yes. I can use 2 and 4. Yes. What can I use again? I can use 3 and 3. I can use 3 and 3, yes. And I can also use 3 and 5. And I can also use 3 and 5. So let's count everything together now and see what we are getting. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 here. I have 6 pairs here in total. And it's very easy now. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers is even. These are the sum of the numbers because they are two numbers. So we have pairs. So the probability that even sums will be 6 over our sample space is what? 12. And that gives me 1 over 2. And that's the final answer. And this is our final answer. This is our final answer. So I'm going to stop here for today. In the next class, in the next mathematics class, we'll be doing permutation and combination. And we're going to be diving deep into how well you can solve permutation and combination in JAMB question without wasting your time and without cracking too much of your brain. Thank you.